Hey everybody, what's up? It's my channel. Today we're gonna be looking and playing with my slime that I made from my slime kit that I got it from Christmas. And yeah, stuff like that. Let's get this going. So it's basically what kind of slime it is. I'll tell you in a minute, but it's like a glittery clear slime type. It's very glossy and it's nice too. It's not that sticky, but it is sort of sticky. Like, I'd say it's still a little bit sticky, but it's touchable. If you could touch it like that, it's nice to play with. And then what I added is I added some clear glue. And then I stirred that up. And then I added this magic liquid. And then I stirred that up. And then I added a little bit of golden glitter glue. And like a little bit of other colors. And yeah, it just came out to this pretty sticky, nice, golden glittery slime. And if you're wondering why am I out here today, it's because I'm in my backyard. In my backyard today. There's a hanging clothespin right there. Tree trunk. My dogs aren't out here today, but because I didn't want to bring her and him outside. You gotta give. Here's a little close up. Here's a little close up of it. I'm gonna try not to shake the camera, but it's very satisfying. I play with it like every day. It's very nice. Zoom out. I'm gonna zoom out. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you. The video isn't over yet. I'm just gonna show you like tour my backyard and stuff. Then more slime playing maybe. Okay, let's just play the slime. No talking. And yeah, guys, that's my slime. It's very nice. And leave in the comments below. Leave in the comments below if you like it or not. And if you want me to do a part 2, like maybe add something else, like more glitter or add some more activator, just go ahead in the comment section and do what you want to do. Part 2s, add some more stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna close this baby up and then play with it maybe in the next vlog or so. And then I'll be making 2 videos today, maybe, or 3, I don't know yet. So let's put this off to the side in my chair. Put that in my chair. Then I'll just show you a little bit of my backyard. That's my old baby bike. And I have a mountain bike over this fence right here. I'll show you it. I just have to step right over here. Ooh. Okay, I just climbed the fence. This is my stuff. Oh, you can't see it right now because the banana trees are in the way, but I'll fix that later. And that's car stuff. So I'm back in my backyard. It's the giant, enormous tree trunk. Oh yeah, it's very old and rotted, so you know what I like to do to get my best views for the cameras, to get good camera shots. Hold on, wait. See, I just stand on top of this tree trunk, or sit on it, and then And then I just like get good shots 360. Let me know if you guys see anything creepy or weird. Put down in the comments below. Like anything creepy, cause okay, let me tell you, this is story time right here. This used to be a haunted house, but the house is blessed now, so it's perfectly fine. It's normal, there's no paranormal activity going around. I'm surprised. I'm glad, because I don't like ghosts. I mean, they're pretty cool, but it's like creepy to me. It's like scary, you know? Oh, I don't mind a friendly ghost like a Casper, but, you know. I just spotted something. Wait, what the heck? You guys see this? You guys saw that too, right? Spotted something really weird. You guys see that too, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna end the vlog, the video right here, right now. So, I guess this is it. So, yeah. Bye everybody. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you want me to do a part 2, leave it in the comments below. Peace out. Bye. You.